Let me just put myself here. Hello, traders. Welcome back. Traders, investors, and those of you that are new to the markets and are looking to understand what's happening in the US today and want to make money, extra money. Not necessarily that you want to be rich or get super wealthy, but you want to start somewhere. So today for my blog and share more information, resources that you need to have. Besides all the technical tools, I never hide this. I do love to use Hawkeye traders, and I use all the trend tools, different moving averages, very simple way to approach the market. I think one guy that you totally want to follow in social media, besides myself, is Ryan Detrick, CMT. He's the Chief Market Strategist at LLP Financial, and they're a member of the SIPC in the US. Now, why I like to follow Ryan, why I think you should do the same. There are a lot of colleagues of mine in the U.S., professionals, that we share a common source of statistics over a period of time. He's one of those guys that he will tell you exactly the figures. It doesn't mean that something has to happen, but absolutely what we do here is like we look at the probability game. And for example, these tweet like 6 hours ago from the moment I'm publishing this video, he says that the S&P 500 is down 18.9% in Q2, second quarter of the year, which will be the worst Q2 since 1962. Have seen a few similarities with 1962 show up lately. Be aware back then the final 2 quarters of the year gained 15%, and the next year added 26%. So what it is, and there's a lot of guys trying to kind of bottom fishing the bottom. It's to understand that first off, there's some similarities. The current environment that we're facing between inflation, unemployment, it's a little bit of a mixed bag of what's happening. According to I think it was Morning Brew in one of their newsletters, they were mentioning that economists don't have really a model to use to explain why we have the sort of inflation we have right now. You have to say, like it or not, this is all consequence of the sanitary crisis. I cannot mention that particular name of the virus because you know what's going to happen with my video. YouTube is going to just punish me, blah, blah, blah. But the most important when I follow Ryan and the quality of the content and the statistics is because it gives me a map to what to do and how to position our team at the Market Surveillance Alliance. Besides that, how I communicate to our members what they have to do, and when would be a good time to start going in big time. Because what happens when the market is rotating, and keep in mind that a lot more people lose money in bear markets than the people that actually make money. It's true that you can short, we buy puts from time to time. We did it with Occidental Petroleum. Warren Buffett loaded on that one. I kind of felt it was just a party pooper, and the stock went up 25%. I'm not saying he's not going to make money. I'm just saying that at the end of the day, for traders and those of us that we trade based on volatility, it was not exactly the best opportunity. So we find short opportunities. But let's face it, everyone, people do make more money in bull markets, and bull markets are super fun. So keep that in mind. Please follow Ryan Detrick. I will talk in my videos more about his content and statistics. Hopefully we can share, well, he's on Fox News and everything. But I do hope that at some point I can share any program live, commenting on the markets, and even learn more from him. So far, so good. Ryan Detrick, please, guys, be aware. Back then, final 2 quarters of the year gained 15%, and the next year added 26%. Even if 2022 is just a flat year, which is something that Mario Kolanovic from JP Morgan expects, if that happens, that's very good news. And we can have a brilliant 2023 and a acceptable 2024. So don't throw the towel. There's more to do. I want you guys to be ready. And maybe at some point this week, you want to go ahead and check what I have to offer to you if you become a member of the Market Surveillance Alliance. So stay tuned. Please look at his account. You totally want to follow him. There's a lot of gloom and boom and doom and dust and blah, blah, blah. People always complaining. But after all this passes, there's a lot that the U.S. stock market has to offer to you and your family. So thank you guys for watching. This is JR for the Market Surveillance Alliance, and I'll see you soon.